Everybody, today is the third lesson and third and final lesson on the Elasticsearch logging fundamental, and today we're going to talk about and concentrate on the Kibana only, Kibana virtualization and how you can see the data. um, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and after you watch this video go into my channel under the playlist of the ELK Elasticsearch. You will see the full installation of all the Filebeat, Logstash, Kibana, and um, Elasticsearch, okay, with the different operating system the window and the Linux, okay. So let's start this, guys. Kibana virtualization is an open source analytic and virtualization platform designed to work with the Elasticsearch. um, Not only Elasticsearch, I won't believe this, but again, yes, I made this slide, and yeah, okay, but Kibana also work with the security onion. Okay, you can use the and other monitoring tool as well, not only security onions. You can use the Kibana to search, view, and interact with the data stored in the Elasticsearch. That's right. In this lesson, you will learn about the Kibana and how it allow you to visualize your data. Simple. So if you are Splunk lover, there is a video on my channel. If you go into my playlist, and there's a Splunk, the playlist called Splunk, and you go and full installation of the Splunk server is there. I just mentioned Splunk because we're just talking about the Kibana, and in the Splunk you can visualize the data as well. So that's it. Okay, let's go next. Explore and analyze your data. Now that you know how to start the metric beat and collect data, let's learn how to visualize this data using the Kibana. And also, this not only a metric beat, it could be a file beat as well, guys. Okay, and you know how to start the file beat and collect the data. Okay. Kibana is a data virtualization tool, and it is the UI of the Elastic Stack. That's right. Using Kibana mean you will able to manage everything within the stack, managing beats, log/slash Elasticsearch, and obviously Kibana. Kibana provide a better view of the data, what your data look like. So in Kibana, you can make the tables, you can make a chart, like bar chart, pie chart, square chart, different things like yeah. You can also see, so if for example if you are monitoring a website, you can see how many customer visited us on Monday, and then how many Tuesday, and that's like a live logging stuff, live. So yeah, end of the day will tell you how many people visited. Just example purpose, okay. It's quite a good tool. Take a moment to review what the discover, visualize, and dashboard tabs offer below. So this is the dashboard. The discover tab allow you to browse your data and even play it from some searches over your data. So this is your dashboard, guys. Okay, so you can make more file beat, you can make indexes, and search as per, you see the available field and selected field. This is like Splunk, isn't it? So yeah, you can work out like that. And I'm sure if you are beginner, you don't know what's going on, what I'm talking about, don't worry, you will get it. You will get it, guys. Don't worry about it. Say, what the hell are you talking about? No, you will understand. Okay, let's go next. Indices and pattern. For Kibana to read the data, you have to add an index pattern. So index is something like, so for example, you open the book, and when you open the book, the first thing come up is the index, isn't it? So index know where is data, where it's come from, where it's gonna go, and where it's supposed to be. That's the index. Simple example, yeah. Okay, beats and virtualization. Now that you have learned how your data can be virtualized in Kibana, let's take a look at the beats virtualization. Every beat come with modules and a set of pre-built dashboards. So every beat have their own dashboard. There are two main ways to load these pre-built dashboards: using a setup command and using configuration file. Not covered in this training. So configuration file is not covered. So we only got the setup command, guys. Okay. Loading the dashboard. So to load these dashboard, you will need to follow the step below to make sure Elasticsearch is running. First, Kibana is running. Beat is properly configured. So when we're talking about file, the Elasticsearch define the output section, and proper Kibana URL is pointing to the localhost by default. Run the command appropriate your operating system. So this everything, guys, this everything I like I said before, I keep saying this and I'm gonna keep saying that because it is a important video. So go into my channel, yeah, under the playlist called ELK Elasticsearch. You will see a the video name called Full Installations of um, Elasticsearch, Kibana, Filebeat, Logstash. Full installation of one video. It's approximately 45-minute video, and it will tell you everything, guys. And this whole slide is talking about that. So make sure you have this running, this running, this running, mate. Go and watch that video, okay? Run the command, okay? So these are the command you need to run to, so for window is a metricb.exe setup and the dashboard, and it will come up with the dashboard, okay? It's pre-built dashboards, if you want to bring it up, okay? Pre-built dashboard, you can load the visualization by invoking the beat with the setup dashboard, and it will be pre-load all the dashboard into the Kibana. So they are available for you to browse as soon as the data start getting populated by beat. So in the summary, guys, this is a final lesson, final summary. Kibana is tool that allow you to visualize the data stored on your Elastic cluster. Yeah. So anything in the Elasticsearch you can view and visualize in the Kibana. Kibana is user interface of the Elasticsearch cluster, Elastic stack. That's right. So user interact with the stack by using Kibana. That's right. Makes sense. Filebeat can load pre-built Kibana dashboard using a single command. Yeah. So these commands are here. So these are single commands if you wanna load the dashboard, depend upon your operating system, and these are the pre-built dashboards. Okay, the Filebeat can load pre-built Kibana dashboards using a single command. Okay, happy? Right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe my channel. Do not forget to watch the full installation video, guys. I'm talking about that since beginning of the first lesson. Okay, that's important. And if you have any drama installing the Elasticsearch and Filebeat, I have mentioned in that main video, and I have mentioned in these lessons as well. There is two more video installing the Filebeat, problem solved Filebeat installation, and the Java issue with Elasticsearch. Those two video is for you if you can't install the Elasticsearch for somehow or the Filebeat. Okay, those are in the same playlist, ELK Elasticsearch. That is the playlist name. Go into my channel, look for the playlist option, and in the playlist those are the video. Okay, if you like it, subscribe, guys, and if you appreciate it, share with others. And thank you very much, and really appreciate your time. Okay, thank you.